how's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Xbox 360 freezing problem. So when you encounter this problem, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your Xbox have a well ventilated area. So you just want to make sure that fresh air is coming in. And so in that way, we aren't getting bottlenecked by the Xbox thermal responses. So just make sure that your Xbox isn't overheating and you're good to go. You could also check for dust. Make sure that the air vents right here doesn't have any debris, dust, or even dog fur on it if you have pets. From there, you also have to navigate through your hard drive right here or your SSD, depending on what you're using. You could simply do that by heading over to Setting, Storage Devices, and from here, you just want to try to clear your system cache to see whether the problem is on the system's files. So try clearing out the cache. And the last thing that I recommend is to click on the Reset to Default Settings right here. And you could also try checking for physical damage on your disk itself. So if your disk are damaged, it will cause the game to freeze, resulting it to crash. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.